switch this up.
Hi guys, me and Sandy decided to go for lunch at Benvito, and this is basically what we got. She got a cappuccino, we got wings and pizza, and then we decided to go to Legit, and this is me showing you guys what we got. And this was the first dress that Sandy tried on, second dress, third dress, yeah, the whole model moment, and then this was the last dress. Out of all of these, she really liked one. These are the bubbles that she got me because I was feeling sad. So guys, I just thought to myself this morning that I should pretend that I'm an influencer. So I just put on this mask. I can barely talk in this. So it's the mask by Garnier. So this is just for experimental purposes. It's not really like a serious thing. Haven't showered, by the way. So that's why I thought, okay, let me start with this brand first. So guys, I just finished shooting pictures for my Instagram, so I am hoping that Garnier responds to one of the pictures or just comments or at least acknowledges. I'm just hoping, because then I don't know, I feel like there's hope. I feel like they're good enough. And if they don't, I guess this was just for fun, because it was really fun creating this. Well, it's really fun to pretend that I'm an influencer sometimes. In my head, doing this for you guys is top tier. So I have two of them. This one's brand new because this one is almost out. So basically I'm not doing free promos for nothing, because these products actually work for me. This is my face just after I've washed it. Feels so soft and it's just amazing. I love it. My skin has imperfections. That's the main reason why I use it, because it is for imperfections, for imperfected skin. And I have acne prone skin and I have dry skin. As you can see, the more I talk, the more it becomes dry. Okay guys, I just finished shooting the Dark and Lovely range. It's also based on the products that I use from Dark and Lovely, and I also did my makeup for it. So I'm gonna show you how the pictures came out, and I'll let you know if I got a response from any of them. Yeah, but I'm done for the day today, so I don't think I'm gonna make any more fake influencer gigs, because number one, I don't have enough products to do that. Number two, I'm literally just freestyling and I'm tired now. So kunzima uba influencer, guys. Kunzima uba superstar. I don't know if I said that wrong. I'm not Zulu, so don't come for me. See you when I see you.